Hi, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky. This video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. Today, I'm going to talk you through the difference between a latte and an Americano. They both start with the same thing. And both of these drinks, we're going to start with about 2 ounces of espresso. But then, how you make up the difference is what delineates them. So both of them are going to be a 10 or 12 ounce drink normally. But in an Americano, you're gonna take that little bit of espresso and you're gonna add water to bring it up to that total volume of 10 or 12 ounces. In a latte, you're gonna take that 2 ounces of espresso and then you're gonna add steamed milk to it that has a little bit of foam on the top, and you're gonna add that until you get your 10 or 12 ounce drink, and that's your latte. So a latte really just means milk. So out of all the espresso drinks, that one is going to have the most milk in it, so it'll be a nice mild flavor. You'll still know you're drinking coffee, but it won't be overpowering. It's typically gonna be a little sweeter. With an Americano, where that comes from is actually during World War I, when there were American soldiers in Italy. The Italians gave them coffee, which was espresso, and it was a little bit too strong and punchy, so the Americans took water and added that to the espresso to fill it up to what would be a normal cup of coffee for them. And that's how we got an Americano. The term was coined then. So there you go. That is the difference between a latte and an Americano. Hope this helps.